Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, South Central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, Northern Warren County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Clark County in northwestern Virginia, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Front Royal, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Front Royal, Strasburg, Middletown, Fort Valley, White Post, Nineveh, Riverton, Reliance, Armel, Bethel, Chadarville, and Buckton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National